All right, I'm going to show you how to change out the left-hand side or the driver's side license plate light. All right, so on this side, what you're going to do is there's a spring on the left-hand side of the license plate light, and what you're going to do is you're going to get behind here, and you have to push in on the little spring. Now you can use a flathead screwdriver, a small one. But also be careful because it does mar up the paint. Use something behind it, stick a piece of cardboard down, or like I'm doing, use a plastic, something plastic to get behind there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna push in and pull straight down. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna push down on the little black tab right in the back, and then you're gonna pull straight back on it and disconnects your light. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to turn it counterclockwise, and then you're going to pull straight back on it, and there's your bulb that you're going to be replacing. All right, you can pick this up at any auto parts store. It's bulb number 2825. It comes in a 2-pack, so you can change out both sides. All right, now to take this bulb out, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the bulb and you're going to pull straight out. All right, so what you're going to do when you install the new one, you're just going to take the new. Now you can put dielectric grease on the terminals here if you want to make a better contact. But what you're going to do if you don't have it, just go ahead and just reinstall it. Take it, push it in, and you'll feel it like lock into place. Push it down so it seats. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take and slide it back in place, seat it down, and then you're gonna turn it clockwise until it locks into place. All right, so now let's go ahead and connect the electrical connector. And you're gonna hear it lock into place, so there'll be a click, just like that. Now, the last thing you gotta do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna put in the end that doesn't have the spring. So this is the spring side. So this side needs to go in first, because if you notice, it has little ridges right there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna feed that in, lock it into place. So it's like a hinge point right there. So it's locked in, and then, because if it's falling out on the back side, it's put in incorrectly. And then you're gonna push straight up, and it's locked into place. Now let's go ahead and make sure that the light works. All right, so the light works and success. So please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.